Hello, supercarbonated. I'm going to show you how to highlight. If you get a structure like that, NA, MM, like the text value, not the text, the text character and Excel sheet, you will like to highlight it all in red color. For example, I'm going to E3, I'm going to select all over here. So 332, the last line U 332, and I'm going to conditional format. So I'm going to use a formula if the condition true like that, equal 1 minus this number. I'm going to use it E3 E3 colon U 332 bold red color. Okay, apply. Okay, all the text value going to selected red color. So in easy to next time if you go through in the document, okay, these are the valued, you can able to skip out. Like, next mark it down all the same over here. Okay, I just undo that. Okay, maybe it's over here. Okay, now I'm going to mark it down the all the negative record. I'm going to mark it on red color. Then easy to I can able to sort it out the problem. New rule, I'm going to use it greater less than over here. less than for the red color. Why is not selected? Less than, so there is no value for 0.001. So for me I'm going to select any value 0.00 value less than 0.00 value, going to highlight the text color, font color going to be red color. Yeah, it's success. Hope you guys learned something from this. So thank you.